Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and disconnecting the keyboard. This prevents shorts and accidental input. Next, verify the keycap or switch you need matches your keyboard model. This avoids buying the wrong part. Take a clear photo of the key layout so you can restore orientation and organize tools. Keycap puller, small screwdriver, tweezers. Once done, gently remove the offending keycap with the puller so you expose the retainer and switch beneath. This gives you access to diagnose why the key failed. You now inspect the retainer clip, stabilizer bars, and the switch mechanism to find the fault. Cracks, warped plastic, or lodged debris are common causes, which is why this step matters. Use compressed air to clear dust and a 70–90% isopropyl swab to clean sticky residues. Let parts dry. If the retainer or switch is damaged, replace it. Swap the retainer or desolder and replace the switch on hot swappable or soldered boards respectively. After reassembly, test the key with a keyboard tester to confirm function. You finish by carefully reattaching the keycap and making sure stabilizer clips seat properly so the key returns evenly. Press gently until you hear the snap. If the key still misbehaves, swap in a known good switch or keycap to isolate the problem and test the keyboard on another PC to rule out software or driver issues. Finally, maintain a small parts stash, and when applicable, backup keyboard firmware. This saves time and prevents repeats. If problems persist, consider professional repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.